Quiz number 5. Match the word with its definition. Number 1. Hypnotize. Number 2. Dovetail. 3. Gape. 4. Outfox. 5. Afloat. 6. Carp. 7. Endorse. 8. Remainder. 9. Amble. 10. Enroll. Definitions. A. To float. B. What is left over. C. Wide open. D. Give approval. E. To complain. F. To sign up. G. A sleep-like state. H. To walk slowly. I. Unite harmoniously. J. To outwit. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. The word form may need changing. The patient was blank, so she wouldn't experience any pain. 2. Banks require customers to blank their checks. 3. For the blank of the year, we saved our money. 4. Soldiers are always blank about something. 5. The canoe was blank in the stream. 6. Our teacher was hard to blank. 7. The father took his children to blank in school. 8. After school, Tom blank down to his favorite fishing hole. 9. The carpenter cut the boards so they would blank. 10. Pete blank in amazement when he won the lottery.